Hello everyone, welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. Preparing for credit officer interview for Central Bank of India. Top 10 questions I am going to share with you. Most expected. मतलब इतने confident हैं ये questions that out of 10 definitely you will be able to see one or two question exactly same to same in your interview as well. So prepare these 10 questions properly for giving your interview more confidently. So the question number one, I'll be moving before that to give you complete information about the Central Bank of India personalized interview batch. This batch is available on the Guidely platform with the two online mock interview. Mock 1 will be taken by me. Mock 2 will be taken by the ex-panel member who have already taken the mocks of multiple credit officer interview previously. Along with that, SBI PO, IBPSP interviews as well. Personalized mentorship we are going to provide you in this interview. So based on your profile, what type of question you are going to expect during the interview, why credit officer, why banking sector, such type of very common questions with the proper relevant answer we are going to give you within the batch with the support of live classes. Without any hesitation, you can join the batch today itself. What do you know? Why you want to join the banking industry or banking sector? See, this is a question which is directly or indirectly definitely you are going to get in your interview. Like sometimes they will ask you, okay, so why banking came to your mind? If you were working somewhere else previously, why you left the job and turned toward the banking industry? If you have done agriculture, if you are from agriculture background or any other thing, like whatever the graduation you have done, in that case they will be asking you why banking sector came to your mind. Not only this interview, any interview you are going for, either IBPSP interview, SBI PO interview, RRB PO interview, everywhere when you apply for the banking interview, there is a common question that why banking job. So you need to find out the proper reason. Along with, see, theoretical answers are available everywhere and they listen it on a very regular basis. Sir, banks are the pillars of Indian economy. I want to participate in the growth of Indian economy. That is why I want to get the banking job. Tell your personal reason as well. Like for example, if someone in your family work for the banking job, if you are in a need of job stability, talk about it. Sir, I have completed my graduation 2 years back. I am struggling for getting the job from that time, and banking is a sector which can give me stable job with a good growth in my life. So this is one of the major reasons, sir, why I want to come to the banking sector. Try to be, try to make your answer personalized for you, not very generic or generalized answer. तो personalized answer पे focus करना, that will be helpful for you. Then second thing, they may ask you about the report of Central Bank of India directly, indirectly. Like, so what do you know about the recent profit of the bank? अभी बैंक का प्रॉफिट कितना चल रहा है? So profit means, see, Central Bank of India already last financial report is out. So now we have a complete data about the profitability of bank. We know about that what is the gross NP of bank, net NP of bank, what is the net interest margin of the bank. So every data of the bank is available. I have already covered this in the paid batch of your Central Bank of India credit officer. अभी आप ज्वाइन करो, आपका लेक्चर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. मैंने ऑलरेडी पूरा फाइनेंशियल ईयर का रिपोर्ट डिस्कस कर लिया. ब्रीफ व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यू नीड टू कवर, दैट इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. Then what do you know about the profile of the credit officer? That is roles and responsibility. After joining as a credit officer, what are the roles and responsibility you are going to hold? That you need to cover. So mainly credit officer deals with the asset size of a bank. They need to either create the assets, that is new type of loan they need to issue for the bank. Sometimes students get confused. Sir, it is a job like sales job. Daily we need to go out of the branch. No. You are going to work for a public sector bank where even within the branch you will get lots of customer on a daily basis for walk-in. They are looking for loan. You need to guide them. What are the loan documents required? They are qualified for how much loan based on their income. What is their CIBIL score? So what will be the rate of interest applicable? What type of new schemes are available in the bank to get the loan? So such type of things you need to perform. But overall you are going to perform or deal with loan, advances, credit card, overdraft, cash credit, these type of things, right? Some of my students, those who have joined Punjab National Bank credit officer last year, they are currently working for forex branches as well. Means it is not a case like you will be appointed for credit officer, you will be working only on credit officer. You can get appointed for some other roles like forex. So forex is one of the roles. Soon I am uploading the video with that student also. So he will guide you that what was the role when he got appointed as a PNB credit officer, and now when he is working with the forex branch, what is the roles and responsibility currently he is holding. Very soon I'll upload the video. Then why Central Bank of India? Why you want to join Central Bank of India? So you need to brief about Central Bank of India. So this is the profitability of Central Bank of India. In the recent time, it is a profitable bank with the lower gross NPA, net NPA. The bank got recently this award. So I've seen that bank is giving a good growth to their employees as well. This is the reason. Framing the answer is important. Practicing it before the interview is also very important. Then what are the skills you have that will be helpful in the banking industry? Remember that when you are applying for the banking jobs, especially on the scale 1 position, either for bank PO, LBO, ZBO or credit officer, one or two things are always common, like communication skill. If you are good on the communication part, you will be always helpful, or it will be always helpful for you to deal with the customer. Communication part should be good. Presentation skills are fine, should be fine. So you need to present the new schemes for customer. You need to present the documentation list in front of customer in a easy way. You need to inform the customer about the pre-closure charges if it is there, everything. So that you need to inform the customer. You need to keep your customer well informed because of with the support of your communication and presentation. After that, patience. One of the very important skill which is required, or the quality which is required, that is patience, because customers are going to ask repetitive same questions again and again, and you need to reply every time patiently. This is always important. So these are the basic skills which you need to develop in these days till your interview dates are out. Try to develop these things, try to inculcate these things, so on the day of interview it will be visible in your personality. They will analyze your personality. See, interview is not going to be the test of your knowledge. Your knowledge will be tested the day your result will be out written, and you will clear the written examination. They will check, means your knowledge has been tested. Now when you will be going for interview, they will check your profile, they will check your personality. So how your personality is stable, that will be helpful for your interview. Then why public sector bank? Why not the private sector bank? They ask this question when you go for IBPS interview also, or Central Bank of India credit officer, and in the recent ZBO interview also they ask this question. What do you know about the Central Bank of India? Brief history of the bank. How do banks generate profit? What are the primary functions, secondary functions of bank? If you have been assigned a loss-making branch as a credit officer, how you will convert a loss-making branch into profitable branch? You need to tell the complete strategy. And most important topic is, they may ask you about explaining about the NPA. What is the process as a credit officer? What will be your strategy to minimize the NPA of the branch which is allocated to you? So these are actually the 10 most important questions for your credit officer interview. Start preparing for it. All the answers you will be able to get in detail, in brief, in the interview batch as well. You can join the batch today itself, start the preparation. If you have already joined, you can connect with me over the Telegram. My Telegram ID is Aditya, ADITYA, Aditya Sir GA. This is my Telegram ID, so you can connect with me. I have already created a personalized Telegram group for the Central Bank of India Credit Officer interview batch candidate, so I can start analyzing their profile and giving them the tips that based on their profile, what are the questions you can expect in your interview. My open Telegram group is this, so you can join this group if you want to get connected with me. If you have any confusion regarding the batch, clear your doubts, join the batch later. Thank you for joining the session. All the best for your interview, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.